I call you pretty, but it never goes as planned. You think it's funny, I'm just trying to be a man. I wanna show you in the best way that I can that I'm so in love with you. Try to be serious, but you can never tell. It isn't easy to confess how hard I felt when we've just been friends since the day we met. I don't know what to do, 'cause how can I try to cross all the lines that we've...
Okay, so we made it to Universal. I'm with my best friend Jordan. Jordan, say hi. And we're currently going to City Walk, and I'll show you guys the hotel room later. I'm wearing this, and we're just gonna go get some dinner and chill out, but this is gonna be such a great trip, and I'm so excited. Jordan, are you excited?
I'm so excited.
So excited. I don't know why the camera's not focusing right now. We're gonna go catch the bus.
Always had between you and I this suit. If I'm just a friend to you.
By the bow, seize the bow. Okay, so we're at City Walk, and it is so pretty, but it's so hot right now. We got food from, what's it called? Bend the Bow. Bend the Bow.
So I got pork belly and veggie. I got the brisket and the pork belly.
Got the kimchi chicken and the pork belly. Pretty good. I didn't have that high of expectations once it took a while, but then like we got it and I was like, oh wait, this is really good.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder? If we could run it back, if we could run it.
That's good. We're leaving City Walk and we're going back to our hotel, but we got voodoo donuts to try, so we're gonna try those when we get down. And then we're gonna probably get ready for bed and then go to Disney tomorrow, which I'm so excited. We have to wake up so early, but it's gonna be so good. I'll see you guys back at the hotel to try our donuts. Okay, so we're back in our room and we got to our PJs and we're about to eat donuts, but I wanted to give you guys the room tour before we did that. So we have a like bedroom area, and it has 2 queen beds and like a little viewing area, and the view is so cute. It's night right now so you can't really see, but it's just like the skyline of Orlando, and it's like so many colorful lights, and there's a lake, and you have a TV and like this little area, and then you have a little coffee nook and like a little bench, but like we're gonna ignore that mess right there, and then we're gonna also ignore Jordan. And then there's like the bathroom in there and the little vanity. Hi. And then there's another bedroom that her mom is staying in that I'm not gonna go in, but it's like another queen bed and like a little closet area, which is super cute. We have our little voodoo donuts. I feel like we're doing like a hole. Ooh, okay, not that messy, kind of cute actually.
She's cute.
You got me?
A little car.
I'm pretty good. Good. We're gonna finish our donuts. Get ready for tomorrow. See you guys in the morning when we go to Disney. Good morning. Good morning. And we have our Disney outfits on. We have 2 matching dresses. They're from Amazon. And I have my tiara on. She's gonna put her tiara on later.
In the car.
In the car. We both have Air Force Ones. And now we're going to the lobby to get picked up so we can head to the park.
Let's go, grab a cup of coffee, pour it over ice, take it for a walk while we talk about our life.
We made it in the park. We got in super early. It's 8:37 and the park opens at 9, and they just let us in like the beginning part.
Some quality time, but no one ever really gets it. I swear I got the best intent.
We're waiting for the park to open, and then we're rope dropping Space Mountain. So we're just waiting for this little section to open, and then we'll be going.
Really matter to me, 'cause I'm down to do whatever is the mood. Just tell me what I want.
We're gonna make it. There's 20 people already. Okay, we're off Space Mountain, and that was like actually so crazy. Like it was more intense than I remember it. But it was like I got off and my legs were like shaking. I could like barely. I'm just gonna show you guys like what we're doing. I'm not like always gonna update, but I'll just show you guys what we're doing like along the way because we're just gonna be doing so much. Cinnamon roll, so big, and it's got this like hole in the middle, and it's just warm. It's like kind of like a brioche roll, it looks like. So we're gonna try it. How is it? That's good? Okay, we're in Beauty and the Beast's castle for lunch. It smells so good with my Belle outfit. So pretty. It's the Sistine Chapel Disney restaurant. Okay, so now we're done with lunch and we're heading to our only like lightning lane, which is Tron. Like we actually got Tron, like a Tron spot, which we tried so hard earlier. We were like in the queue earlier, but we didn't get accepted because there were so many people already. But we paid the money to go on Tron. I'm so excited. So excited.
I'm so excited. I'm pumped.
It was so fast. Like I was not expecting the G-force that you feel in the beginning was like I lost my food back there. Like not actually, but like my stomach's back there, not me. And I loved it so much, and anybody should go on that ride. We were up there. Like wow. Now we're going to Epcot. We made it to Epcot. You don't like it? We got Starbucks. Look at the cute little, and he wrote my name. Okay, so it's been a while since I updated, and we are in Japan right now, and we got some sushi. And going around taking pictures in different places and checking out what everyone has to eat. But I think we will be going back to Magic Kingdom eventually. The sushi, 10 out of 10. Okay, so we stopped for dinner and we got some bussin' orange chicken. Like this, it looks like the best food I have probably had all day. Oh my god. Asia right now, but not the real Asia. Okay, we're back at Magic Kingdom and we are riding Pirates of the Caribbean because Jordan actually has a friend from the Disney College program. So we're going to visit him real quick, and it was a 15-minute wait time.
I was beating you over the head.
Oh, were you actually?
Yeah, I was going doing this behind you.
We're at Big Thunder.
Makes you want.
Let's go. Okay, we're in the bus on the way to Islands of Adventure Starbucks waters because we drank absolutely no water yesterday. And I'm a Gryffindor. And we got the little Lululemon bag. Cheers. That's way more sugary than I remember it to be. Okay, next we're going on Spider-Man. This is Emily and Jordan reporting live from the Spider-Man ride. Okay, so now we're in Studios and we just rode a Rip Ride Rocket. This is like my Simpson all-time favorite drink. Turkey wrap and a couple of chips, and then I got an orange soda. Jordan got a Sprite and a hot dog. But now we're gonna eat. And now we're gonna go ride the water rides. We changed our outfits so we don't have cute outfits on for the water rides.
The one and only Jushy Wushy. We're gonna go on Ripsaw, Popeyes, and we're gonna get soaked and we're gonna have a blast, right? Yeah. So we'll see you guys when we get there.
They're all riding to their doom. Around the corner, we have more line. Danger. We're gonna go board the train to go back to Universal. It's the same one I wore to the girls' trip. Here's Jordan's fit. Hashtag Target. Way bigger than it looks. Okay, and then we have these things called tappers. They bring it up to like one of the slides and back later and ride the ride rather than waiting in line, which I think is so cool. So you can go like ride the lazy river or go on another thing. We got the little cups that give you refills now. Jordan's drinking a Coke Icy. We went on a Krakatoa, which is half roller coaster, half like water slide. And that was so fun, but like the water was spraying in our eyes the whole time, so we couldn't see. We got these massive flatbreads. I got a Hawaiian and Jordan got a barbecue chicken. She's taking a picture of it. Okay, we're going. And you don't even have to do anything. You just start going. You have to wear a life vest. So fast right now. Whoa. Oh, and the closer you are to the wall, the faster you go.
Hello, vlog.
This is my outfit. I'm wearing Lululemon.
They're in.
Yeah, sorry, we're running a little behind. Hello. Oh my goodness, sideways. All right.
Okay, we're going.
Have a lovely day. Thank you.
Bye. I feel like a bobblehead.
I hurt my head. Josh, how do you feel?
Amazing.
Rate your ride 1 out of 10.
64.
Or multiplication out of 10.
Hurt a little bit because of my head went.
That was a good ride.
Now we're getting a drink.
VIP treatment.
We're going to ride Popeyes again.
Oh my gosh, there's my friend James.
Repsol Falls, yeah.
It's a big inn.
Okay, so we're back at the hotel and we are currently looking like secret agents on a mission in almost all Lululemon. Jordan got me an aligned cropped jacket, and I've never had one before. I feel so slay. Oh my gosh, wait, look at these flowers. They're so pretty. Okay, continuing on. We're in a city walk and we're gonna go at Antojitos. It's a Mexican restaurant. It's the view from our hotel. And here's the pool. Nobody's in there right now, but it's cool looking. But Volcano Bay was really fun today. The lazy river. Flashback, let's flashback. How was that? Was that fun? We're back at the hotel and we're packing up and cleaning and finishing up everything. Dinner was really, really good, except that, you know, my stomach's cutting me a little bit. I had a really fun time this trip. I hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog, and this is the end of the vlog.